Then lastly, this morning I told the kids that we like the big ox wagon, and we all the oxen in front that has to pull this school through sometimes very deep dips, sometimes very steep mountains. But then you also need somebody with a whip behind us. And this morning it was Mrs. Brown because she leads the school. But this evening it is Mrs. Jansen van Rensburg. She gets the school. She cracked that whip because look at the color of her hair.
Wat met die smile daar? Sê vir daai lelike ou daar langs jou. Daai twee lelikes. Kom hier, smile. Gooi 'n bietjie smile daar. Staan met jou naam.